Hi everyone. In previous video we discussed about what UI and UX is. But in this video we are going to explore what kind of job role people get when they enter into UX world. So there are 9 job roles which we are going to discuss here, what their duties are there and what these people do. So let's get started with point number 1. So this is interaction design. So interaction design is something whenever a person user interacts with the application, what kind of results will be there. For example, when you click on some button, after clicking on that button, what will be the next? So these kind of things are designed by interaction designer. Now let's move to the point number 2. Point number 2 is visual designer. Visual designer basically does whatever visually you see in that, like their logos, brandings, their images, colors, fonts, etc. Everything is designed by the visual designer. Now next comes motion designer. What motion designer does is he designs the motion in between two screens or two processes. Like when you click on any button and next screen comes, in between whatever animation comes, that is designed by the motion designer. Now next comes VR AR designer. What VR AR designer does is, let's understand what VR AR is first of all. VR is virtual reality and AR is augmented reality. These days you might have seen people are using VR headset to enter into 3D world. For that 3D world, whatever interface is designed, this is designed by the AR VR designer. We'll explore this term more in some further videos. Now I'm going to talk about most important job role, which is UX researcher. What UX researcher does is he goes to the real people, real users and asks them questions. He talks to them and gets to know that really this application is helping people or it will help the people. And he comes up with the solutions that how we can improve it further. Now we are going to talk about UX writers. What UX writer does is he writes for applications. For example, you might have seen so many times there is a single word written on some buttons, some icons, but you understand that by reading it once. That helps the user to understand yes what the person wants to say in that, and after clicking on some particular button what will be the next action. So this kind of content is written by UX writers. Now next most important job role is UX program manager. What he does is he manages everything in such a way so that the process of building an application moves forward smoothly and it is completed in time. Now I'm going to reveal the last but not least job role, which is conversation designer. What conversation designer does is he designs the conversation. For example, you might have heard about the virtual assistants. For example, Google, Siri and Alexa, etc. And there are so many chatbots which directly talk to the users or the customers in audio voice. And this conversation is designed by conversation designer. I hope this video will help you if you are going to enter into UX world and you are looking for new jobs. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also let me know in the comment box if you want me to cover any other topic. I'll try to give my best for that topic as well. Thank you. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.